Two CRM giants, Zoho and ActiveCampaign, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, the customizable and budget-friendly Zoho CRM. On the right, the automation powerhouse, ActiveCampaign. We're putting them through tests that matter to real businesses. Automation, ease of use, pricing, integrations, support, and more. Let's cut through the hype and get to what actually matters for your workflow. We'll award points in each category, so you'll know exactly which contender comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's the mind map with everything we're about to stack head-to-head. We've got pricing, automation and features, CRM core, email marketing, integrations and ecosystem, usability, and of course security and compliance. Buckle up, it's going to be fun. Kicking things off with pricing. Now, honest moment here, Zoho comes in swinging with a really generous free plan. If you're a startup or you just want to try before you buy, this is huge. Their starter tiers are affordable too, but yeah, some of the fancier features get pricey, and the number of pricing tiers? It's kind of a maze. With ActiveCampaign, you get these seriously loaded plans. Awesome automation is included even at the lower levels. But bad news, there's no free plan, and as your contact list balloons, so does your bill. So if I had to declare a winner for your wallet, I'm leaning Zoho on this one. Next up, automation and features. This is ActiveCampaign's playground. I mean, their marketing automation is kind of legendary, visual workflow builders, built-in email and SMS campaigns, all that stuff. Zoho? It's plenty customizable, and their reporting is honestly next level, but when you're trying to set up complex automations, it's not quite as intuitive, you know? So if you're all about marketing magic and automated journeys, ActiveCampaign clearly takes the crown here. Alright, let's talk about the soul of any CRM. The core sales features. Zoho is, hands down, a powerhouse here. You get a super robust sales pipeline, custom fields, modules, even multi-currency support. The flip side? You might feel lost for a minute if you're trying to go deep on customization. It's that extensive. ActiveCampaign? It'll track deals and score your leads, but honestly, the pipeline tools feel pretty basic if you really want to geek out. So, I gotta give the edge to Zoho here. Here's a fun tidbit for you. Did you know Zoho started out as a network management company? Meanwhile, ActiveCampaign actually launched as a consulting service back in 2003. Wild how far both have come, right? Now, email marketing. Oh, and here's where ActiveCampaign totally flexes. The drag and drop builder is so easy, the segmentation and personalization options are, well, ridiculous. In a good way. They throw in native SMS too, which is super handy. The only catch? You do need to shell out more for the advanced stuff. Zoho handles the basics, brings in mail merge and templates, and you can always plug in Zoho campaigns, but for advanced automation, it's not as seamless. So ActiveCampaign is the clear winner if you're big on email. Integrations and ecosystem. Who doesn't want their CRM to play nicely with others, right? Zoho nails it if you're already using other Zoho tools. It's like a family dinner. Everything just fits. Plus, there are thousands of integrations and a solid API if you want to go custom. The catch? The best integrations show off when you're deep in the Zoho suite. ActiveCampaign is really strong with marketing and e-commerce integrations and works great with Zapier, but it's a bit more siloed on the CRM side. So, for sheer flexibility, this round goes to Zoho. Alright, usability. Honestly, both platforms are modern, look great on mobile, and make getting started pretty smooth. Zoho can get a bit overwhelming for newbies, especially with all those deep customization options. ActiveCampaign feels a little more guided when you're setting up complex marketing flows, but you'll probably need some onboarding if you want to push things past the basics. Overall, I'd say this one's actually a tie. Neither is a slouch. Last but not least, security and compliance because, you do not want to end up on the wrong side of a data leak. Zoho's got GDPR baked in, 2FA, SSO, some pretty gnarly controls though. Heads up, some advanced admin perks cost extra. ActiveCampaign? They do GDPR too, HIPAA if you ask, and even throw in extensive auditing tools. Thing is, most of the big compliance stuff lives on their higher level plans. Still, both check all the major boxes. Gotta call this one a tie. Alright, let's take a look at the radar chart so you can instantly spot which areas each one dominates. And yes, a few of these are closer calls than you'd expect. Notice where Zoho pushes ahead and where ActiveCampaign goes all in on automation and email. So, here's my honest take. If your team is sales heavy or you really want to tinker and customize things and you're on a budget, Zoho CRM is kind of unbeatable. But if you're a marketer or you really want the best-in-class automation and email, ActiveCampaign will absolutely blow you away. Each has its quirks, but I hope that clears things up. Did this CRM face-off help you out? Make sure to follow us if you want even more real-world SaaS battles and brutally honest reviews.